Hi, my name's Chris Lumsden, and I'll be your child's teacher for mathematics, individuals and societies, sort of like social studies, and language acquisition, and the language is French. I will also teach them careers for my homeroom.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Hare, and I will be your child's language and literature, science, as well as physical and health education teacher.
We'd like to talk to you about the email that this video is attached to, and we'll show you on our screen so you can see what we're referring to. If you need your son or daughter to translate the email, please ask them to help you out. First of all, yes, your child is correct when they say there is no homework. We do everything in class for a few reasons. We want to see their work and not the work of an editor, like a parent or sibling. We also want students to express their learning in different ways, and that is best done with our guidance. That said, if your child does not use their time wisely at school, they may have some catching up to do, meaning they need to do some work at home. This could also apply if they've missed some school days. Lastly, sometimes bigger projects can be done at a higher level if students need more time. In that case, some work can be done at home.
How we assess. For language and literature, science, and PHE, I will be using an online assessment program called Check My Progress. I will send out the login information as soon as the district has finalized setting up the software, and you will have access to your child's assessment levels on that website.
I'm trying a new program called Teacher Ease. It's one which I'm piloting for the school, and it's for standards-based reporting, not that that matters to you. This means that there are descriptions explaining the grades in the middle years program of IB. If you're new to IB, we use levels 0 to 8 instead of standard grades like A, B, and C+. If you need further clarification of how MYP reading works, just shoot us an email and we'll explain it in detail. Now, if I go back to Teacher Ease, like Ms. Hare, you're going to be sent an email invitation to sign up for Teacher Ease in the parent portal, where you can see your child's grades. They will also have access, that's your students, and you can ask them at any time to show you where they stand. Look for that email later this week or the next week.
Mr. Lumsden and I use a one-way texting application called Remind. Many of you and or your children have already signed up for this. If not, look for information in the document to help you out with this. We will use the Remind app to send out updates, reminders, and pictures of what's going on at school. If you are struggling signing up, please send me an email and I will help you with this.
Now, as part of that, we use email as our #1 way of communicating with you. This is the best system for us to quickly communicate with you parents. If you do not get email on your phone and would like to have it, please ask your child to set it up for you. Although they will resist, they know how to do it, and if they still have trouble, please let us know. We'll help you set it up.
Mr. Lumsden and I do not use any textbooks. Most of our information comes online. In science, we use a program called Discovery Textbook. It is an online science textbook, and it can be accessed from anywhere using your child's Learn34 login. Ask them to show you how this textbook works.
For those of you that had students in the school last year, we'll be using IXL for math again this year. Program is great for practice at home and at school. I can see what they're doing and how well they're grasping a concept. I can help them immediately as well. This is also something they can use at home where extra practice could help them achieve a higher math level. I also use this for assessing them informally, meaning I can show them what level they are achieving before an assessment or a test. If you want to see how it works, again, ask your child to show how.
Mr. Lumsden and I use Google Classroom for all of our subjects. You may be familiar with this from previous years or during remote learning. Please ask your child to show you their Google Classroom. And through Google Classroom, you can stay up to date with the work being assigned and with what work is being completed by your child at school.
And lastly, when your child's away, please let us know that that's happening. And if it's going to be something you know in advance, it's going to happen next week, it would always be good to send us an email. Please encourage your child to ask us what they missed the next day they come back, and come during lunch or after school to get caught up to date. Sometimes they have to give up a little bit of that time to make this work. So thank you very much for listening to our explanation of how things are worked. We will be having an open session on Google Meet on Wednesday night at 6:30 p.m.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Bye-bye.